What if I told you the reason most people stay broke isn't because they don't invest, but because they invest in the wrong order? Most people jump into stocks, crypto, or trading without a plan, and then wonder why their money disappears. Today, I'll show you the smartest order to invest your money step by step, whether you're starting with $50 or $50,000. And stay till the end, because the final step is where real money starts working for you, even if you're a beginner. Before investing anywhere, there's one thing smarter investors do first: they invest in control. That means tracking expenses, cutting bad money leaks, and avoiding emotional decisions. If you don't control your money, investments won't save you, they'll amplify your mistakes. Smart investors don't rush, they prepare. The smartest investors don't invest everything. They keep 3 to 6 months of expenses in safe cash. Why? Because emergencies force people to panic sell, close trades early, or borrow at bad rates. This step isn't exciting, but it's what keeps you in the game long term. Once this is covered, now we can talk about real growth. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people lose money not because markets are risky, but because they don't understand what they're doing. Smart order means learning how markets move, understanding risk versus reward, and knowing how professionals manage trades. This step alone puts you ahead of 90% of investors. Knowledge turns luck into strategy. Now you build a base. This includes index funds, long-term stocks, and assets that grow slowly but steadily. This is wealth preservation, not excitement. But here's where most people make a mistake. They stop here, and that's why their money grows too slowly. Let's be honest, long-term investing is safe, but it's slow, it takes decades, inflation eats into gains. Smart investors ask, how do I make my money work faster without gambling? That's where strategic trading comes in. This is where things change. Instead of guessing markets yourself, smart investors copy professionals, use structured systems, and follow proven strategies. This is how beginners compete with experts. And this is where binary and AMP, copy trading, when done properly, becomes powerful. Not hype, not gambling, structured execution. People fail because they use bad platforms, follow random signals, trade emotionally, and overcomplicate everything. The platform you use matters more than the strategy. That's why the final step is critical. After testing, researching, and seeing what actually works, LumaExchange.com stands out. Why? It's designed for beginners and experienced traders. It offers seamless copy trading from proven traders, a clean interface, no confusion, and structured binary trading tools. Risk management is built in. Instead of guessing trades, you can learn, copy, and scale responsibly. This is how smart investors compress time. Here's the smartest order summarized. Control your money, build a safety buffer, learn the basics, invest long-term, and scale with copy and AMP. Binary trading on LumaExchange.com. Don't rush, don't gamble, follow the order. If you're serious about investing smarter, not harder, visit https://lumaexchange.com, explore copy trading, learn the system, and let your money work with structure. Like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs a clear investing roadmap. Your future self will thank you.